Welcome, 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 my people. Welcome, welcome. I'm here again. Yes. Call everyone to come. All right. I have a trade opportunity for you again. Yesterday we had one. Today we are going to get another trade opportunity. Okay. So call everyone to come. Call everyone to come. Tell them I'm here live on YouTube. They should come. I have a trade opportunity again for everyone. Okay. Share the link to people to come. Call them to come. Yes. I am here for all of you. So let's do this. All right. Bring them here. Bring them here. Let me see if I can share the link with you so that you give it to them to come. Okay. So I'm sharing the link so that everyone can join. Yes. Tell them I'm here. They should come. Okay. Call them to come. Call them to come. All right. I think you have the link now. So call everyone to come so that we can do this again. All right. Yes. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel. Yesterday, I gave you a trade opportunity. Today, I want to give you another one. So call them to come. All friends, those you know, call them to come. All right. So once you are here, please try and call others. Share the link and invite other people to join so that at least they can be able to benefit from whatever I'm going to share. Are we good? All right. Now, yesterday, I gave a trade signal. I'm sure most of you took it. So at the moment, that trade is still doing very well. So I'll first of all share that trade with you for you to see. The trade that we took yesterday is here. This is the trade that we took yesterday. And as you can see, the trade is still in profit. It has given us take profit 1 already. The trade has given us take profit 1. So we are only waiting to see if we can get take profit 2. But like I told you yesterday, you should always try and go for take profit 1, which is easy to catch, because take profit 1 is always less in terms of pips. That is 30 pips. And then take profit 2 is about 50 pips. So this is yesterday's trade. I haven't cleared it. I just wanted it to be there like this for you to all see and know how it is or how it goes over here. So let me know at the comment section, how many of you took this trade yesterday? How many of you took it? A few of you sent me messages telling me your trade has given you the take profit, which is the take profit 1. So how many of you took this trade? I am doing this for us to all benefit. So I'll be glad that you try and you get a trade account. If you don't have a trade account, please go to the description of my videos. You will see the links for brokers. Then you choose the one you want and register with and get a live account. At least deposit something small in it, and let's try and see what we can get together. Is that okay? So try and deposit something into your live account, and then we try and see what we can be catching together. Are we good? Yeah, so this is yesterday's trade. I am going to give you a trade today, but at the comment section, I'll be glad to know how many of you took this trade. Yes. Okay, I think I have to do something. I'm told that the chat is disabled. People are not able to chat. Let me see if I can work on it quickly so that you can be able to send your messages. a few of you are saying you are not able to send messages. Oh, what's the challenge? I think today's trade is not this one. Let me work on it. Today is 17th, right? Yes, today is 17th. So let me change a few things and see if you can be able to send messages. I want to know those who took the trade. Okay. I want to be sure you took the trade yesterday, because a few of you sent me messages. A few of you sent me messages and said you took the trade yesterday. Okay. So I think we are good now. Try and see if you can send me a message. Try and see. I'm sure you should be able to send message now. Yeah, I'm sure, but I don't know. It looks like the message area. Let me check. Let me check. Just some few minutes. Let me just check that and be sure, because your messages, your chats are very important. So if you are not able to send a message, that is not the best. Okay. All right. I think you should be able to send messages, but I don't know. I don't know why it is not allowing you to send messages today. I don't know why, but I don't know why it is not allowing you to send messages today. Okay, let me try and refresh and see. Let me try and refresh and see. Wow. That the chat area is disabled. So most of you are not able to send messages today. Wow. What is the problem? I think it should be my fault. The challenge should be coming from my end. What could be the reason? Let me see. Let me check and see a few things, because you should be able to send a message. Just a second. Those of you waiting, please. Sorry. I want to be able to get your messages. That is why I'm trying to do this. Okay. I want to be able to get your messages. Okay. Allow, yes. Yes. I have accepted the messages to be shown, but I don't know why it's not trying to accept the message aspect. I don't know. Whew. Okay, no problem. Today, sorry, you may not be able to send messages. I don't know why, but so sorry about that. Okay. Now, I know some of you will be able to leave a message after the video has ended. So please, after the video has ended, come back and then leave a message. It's just unfortunate that today you may not be able to ask questions. Okay, that is the only unfortunate thing. But I'm still monitoring to see. In case the chat area is enabled, I will let you know. Okay. So yesterday we had this trade, and the trade has given us the take profit 1. It has given us the take profit 1. So like I said yesterday, you should always target take profit 1, because it comes with smaller pips. Take profit 1 gives you 30 pips. Take profit 2, 50 pips. So to be on the safer side, when you go for 30 pips, it's more easier to get than to be waiting for 50, and the 50 is not coming on time. So if there is volume to, sometimes you can easily get a 50, which is the take profit 2, but at times it delays a bit. So that is why I often recommend that you should always go with take profit 1. So in this case, our take profit 1 got hit. All right. So let's see what trade I have for you today. Are we good? Let's see what trade opportunity is available today. So let me clear this one. I'm going to clear this because this was yesterday's setup. I want to clear. so that I can give today's setup. Okay, so permit me to clear this, and then we see which one to go for. Today I am looking at two trades. This one, GBP USD, and then Euro USD, but I will give GBP USD for now. I'll give GBP USD trade for now. So if you look at this trade from this point, you will see that it has been on the upper trend or on a buy trend. It has been on a buy trend for a while now. And if you look at it, I've only zoomed in for you to look at it. I'll zoom out again. If you look, you'll see that it has been on this side. It hasn't been able to really break to the upper side that much. We are seeing some kind of consolidation at the top over here. So we expect to see this happening for a while before a breakout. A breakout of this area will give us an idea what will happen. So at this moment, we are looking at this area of consolidation. Are we good? We are looking at this area of consolidation. So at the moment, the trade is coming back to test the downline, which is the support. If you look at it, GBP USD, this is on the 1 hour time frame. At the moment, if you look at it, the trade is coming back to test the downline, which is around this area. So we are hoping that when the trade gets back to that area, we will take a trade which is going to be a buy. So we are monitoring the trade at this angle, this area here. Once the trade comes back to this line here, as you can all see, we will be targeting a buy. So that is also going to be on a support level here. All right, that is also going to be on a support level here. But at the moment, we are looking at the trade coming back to touch this line here. Then we can look at a buy to the upside. That is exactly what we are looking for, because this is more or less our trend line, which is the down line here. The down line here is our trend line. Okay, so we are monitoring the trade, looking at the trend line here, which is the down line here. One will say that if you don't mind, you can go for this trade, but another person will say that to be on the safer side, maybe wait for it to come down more. Okay, any which way, it will really depend on your account size. You get it? It will really depend on your account size, because we expect to see a pullback to the upside again when it comes to touch this down line here. So this is the area we are watching to take a buy. This moment, if you look, it looks like it actually came to touch the yellow area, and it is making a pullback. So at this moment, I wouldn't be able to decide and tell you immediately to enter, but I would suggest that maybe you wait for the trade to come back into the yellow area here, then you can take a buy. But if you do not mind, just like yesterday, if you don't mind, the trade has come to touch the yellow area, and we are expecting the trade to go by. Yes, we are all waiting to see the trade go by. So from where the trade is at the moment, okay, it's coming back down a bit. From where it is now to the end of the yellow line, it's about 28 pips or 30 pips. That is between where it is to the downside of the yellow box here. It's about 30 pips. Okay, so we are going to set our trade. We are looking at a buy. So let me start writing the information for you. We are going to look at a buy. Okay, so we are looking at a buy, and with a buy, I would like to use buy. We are looking at a buy on GBP USD. We are looking at a buy on GBP USD. We are looking at a buy on GBP USD, and then and so we are looking at an entry of, if we are to use the current price to do our calculation, the current price is around 1.3508, 1.350807. That is where it is now. But we are expecting to, let's say we are using 1.3510. Let's even assume that we are using 1.3510. Are we good? Let's assume we are using 1.3510 as our entry. Now it has come to 1.356. It has come to 1.356. So even if we are using our entry as, let's write entry. Let's assume if our entry is 1.3510. If this is even our entry, currently it is below there. It is below this entry. So let's assume if this is our entry, I'm sure you can all see what I'm typing, right? So if this is our entry, then what is going to be our take profit? What is going to be our take profit? Let's go. Take profit is going to be TP, right? Our TP is going to be 1.3540. That is a 30 pips take profit. Okay, TP1. Let me name it as TP1. TP1. Okay, TP1. Our TP1 is going to be 1.3540. Okay, on our TP2, our TP2 is going to be what? TP2 is going to be 1.3560. That's going to be our TP2. TP2 is going to be 1.3560. And then our stop loss, that is going to be our SL. Our stop loss, our SL, is going to be 1.3460. Our stop loss is going to be 1.3460. So this is going to be our stop loss. Are we good? So this is our trade. This is our trade. And I have given you the reason why we are looking at this. Because of the consolidation and the trend line which has been drawn, we are looking at a buy. And then our entry, we have pegged our entry at 1.3510. And then TP1 is going to be 1.3540. TP2 is going to be 1.3560. And then our stop loss is going to be 1.3460. Are we good? So if you can hear me and you can see what I have just done, please, this is it. This is it. This is it. So our entry is 1.3510. Our TP1 is 1.3540. Our TP2 is 1.3560. And then our stop loss is going to be 1.3460. All right. So this is it. I'm sure you can see it now. Yes. I'm sure we can all see it now. So this trade is available and we can go for it and see how things will go. Is that cool? So this trade is here for you. All right. Currently it is at 1.3512 now. So assuming you took it at 1.3510, it means we are beginning to witness some profit already. All right. So 1.3510 is our entry. Our TP1 is 1.3540. TP2 is 1.3560. And our stop loss is 1.3460. Are we good? So TP1 is 30 pips and TP2 is 50 pips. And like I always say, you should always target TP1 because it is easy to get. TP1 is easy to get. Are we good? So this is the trade opportunity I have for you. Like I said, it's just unfortunate that today people are not able to send messages. I don't know why the message option is disabled. I really don't know why. I don't know why. But it's disabled, and so people are not able to send messages, and that is very, very unfortunate on our part. It's not your fault. I think it is coming from my side. I think it's coming from my side. So I don't know why, but this is the trade opportunity I have. Today is Tuesday 17th. Tuesday 17th. So we are hoping to get more setups. When we get more setups and there's time, I'll surely come your way and I'll share them with you. So without much ado, I think this trade setup is there. It's unfortunate you cannot comment or you cannot leave me a message. That is the only unfortunate part of it. So stick and stay and then monitor the trade. You can take it. If you have taken it, that's fine. If you have taken the trade, that's fine. We will monitor. And then please, when the trade ends, come back and leave a message on the video here for me. Like some of you did. The previous trade opportunity I gave, some of you came and then you gave me a message letting me know that you have taken the trade. And that is so wonderful. That's so nice of you. So if you also take this trade, please make sure after the trade has done its own thing, you please come back and leave a message for me. Is that okay? Please do come back and leave a message. I'll be glad. And also share this to other colleagues. Let people know we do live trading here. So this is GBP USD. This trade opportunity is GBP USD. People are saying they can see our charts, but I don't know why I am not able to see the charts. I don't know. Some of you have sent me messages that yes, you can see my chart on YouTube, right? I don't know why it's not appearing here. Maybe let me check something again. Just a second, let me check something. I want to be sure it is not from my side. Okay. No comment here. There's no comment on the video. I have gone straight into YouTube, but there is no comment on the video. So it means that people are not able to comment, or what is it like? Let me see something. No, people are not able to leave a comment. Yes, people are not able to leave a comment because I'm not seeing the comments here on the YouTube channel. I was thinking maybe you are able to leave a message, but I am not seeing it. But there's no message. There's no message. There is no message here at the moment. Okay. So sorry about that. So sorry. But in case I'm able to see your messages later, I'll try and respond to them. Okay. If I see them later, I'll try and respond. But this is the trade opportunity. That is GBP USD. GBP USD. We are buying. We are buying. We are buying it. So GBP USD is a buy. And so you can take it. You can take it. And then our entry is pegged at 1.3510. So at the moment it's around 1.3509 or so. Yes. So that is where it is now. So you can take this trade. It's still available. The trade is still available. Wendy, you've sent a message to me on Telegram. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm able to see some messages. Wendy, yes. Wendy is sending me, yes, there are messages. That's true. Wendy, thank you. Let me read those messages. Okay. But I don't know why I am not seeing the messages here. But Wendy, thank you. I'm able to see the messages that people have sent because she has sent me a screenshot. Wendy, I'm really grateful. So now, Wendy is my assistant over here. She is helping me see the messages that you have sent. Okay. So please, you can leave your messages. Wendy is helping me to see the messages. Young Bliss is saying, good afternoon, brother. Young Bliss again says, thank you for yesterday. I appreciate. And Long Ma says, Kofi Dollar. Yeah, that's Kofi Dollar. That's the name, right? And then Lucy says, good evening from Nairobi. Yes, good evening from Nairobi. Nairobi. I appreciate all my my G's. I mean, all my ladies and gentlemen from Nairobi. Nairobi, I think, is Kenya, right? Yes, Kenya. Thank you, my Kenyan friends. All Things says welcome. Solomon says hello, leading Forex. Sadiq says good afternoon. Patrick says thank you, Kofi. LD saying I don't see it in chat. Okay. Young Bliss says I took it. Thank you so much. Mamoketi says I did. Oh, okay. And then Hamad says I took it. LCD, I only saw NZD USD. Oh, that was in the VIP, right? Yes, that was in the VIP yesterday. And then Solomon says I took it yesterday, but because of my small account, I closed it in 20 cents. Oh, that is unfortunate. But like I said, the trade, we got the TP. Okay. Yes, a few more messages are coming now. Wendy is helping me to be able to see your messages. Femi Godwin says it's not disabled, it's working. Okay. And then Pablo is saying that I only took NZD USD because I don't like to open correlating trades at the same time. Oh, okay. So that is why he couldn't take it. Because those of you in the VIP, I gave NZD USD trade. All Things is saying hello, Kofi. Your chat isn't showing. Okay, I think the chat is showing now, right? Ahmed is saying your MT4 screen is not visible. I think it is visible now. It is visible now. So Ahmed is saying I can only see your face. Oh, okay. Wendy, Kofi, hello. Yeah, I caught a live trade on that. Yes, Wendy, thank you. Kasim Ahmed says yes. And then Matt in the US. Matt, I salute. Matt says good day. I'm still in the trade because I used TP2. Okay, that is Matt. Says he used TP2, so he's still in the trade. And then Leslie says messages working now. Okay, I get it. Because Wendy is helping me to see the messages. But on my side here, I am not able to see them. I don't know. But thank you, Wendy. And then Donato says, I can see the chat on the YouTube. Okay. I think now you can see it now. The chat is now displaying. I'm sure you can now see the chat. I have given you the instruction. Please let me know if you can still see the chat because the chat is now showing. Wendy is helping me to read your messages now on Telegram. So once you can see the trade setup, please, you can go in and take it. Are we good? Yes. So that is that. I think you can now see the chart. Okay. So you can go ahead and take the trade. All right. If you have any question, please, you can go ahead and ask because Wendy will help me to be able to see your messages and respond. So if you have a question, please ask. Any question you have bothering you or you want to ask, please feel free and ask. And I'll answer it before I leave because Wendy is helping me to see your messages. All right. So the trade is here, GBP USD. Our entry is pegged at 1.3510 and our take profit 1 is 1.3540. Take profit 2 is 1.3560. And then our stop loss is 1.3460. So the trade is available. The trade is available. So let's all take advantage of it and see how it will end. Are we good? Let's take advantage and see how it will end. Are we good? I think we all have this trade setup done, right? I'm sure we have all taken it. If we have, then congratulations to us. I think, Wendy, thank you again. You have sent me another screenshot. Wendy says, okay. You are welcome, Kofi. Thank you for the signal. Okay, thank you. MS says, what time frame are you using? Just got in right now. The time frame is 1 hour. The time frame you are seeing now is 1 hour time frame. Okay, that's the time frame. But you can use any time frame of your choice and take the trade. It really doesn't matter what time frame you want to take the trade on. The most important thing is the trade has been called out. So you often do not need the time frame to use. You can use any time frame to take the trade. Okay, you can use any time frame of your choice to take the trade. So that is it. That's it. Are we good? So please go ahead and take it, and let's see how it ends. Okay. All right. So it's GBP USD. That is the trade. GBP USD. That is the trade we are taking. All right. GBP USD is a trade. So if you haven't taken it, it's still available. The trade is still available. If you haven't taken it, you can take it. Are we good? Okay. A few more messages here. Let me read them. It says, okay. Leslie Ann says, Caribbean here. Yeah. Those of you from the Caribbeans, I salute you all. Leslie says, I am still in the trade because I use TP2. Okay. What time frame are you on? Okay. And then Kofi Jamok says, good one there, sir. Good one there, sir. Thank you. I have another brother from the US who is also watching. It says, I'm watching live, but the way you take the trade doesn't match the way. Okay. Okay. If you have any issue, let's talk. Okay, let's talk. All right. If you have any issue, let's talk. All right. If you have any issue, let's talk. Okay. So all those watching, you can send your messages. If you have any message, please leave a message and I will surely respond to you. Yes. If you have a message, you can leave it there and I'll respond. Okay. Okay. All right. So any more question, you can leave it there and I'll respond. We've done so far 32 minutes so far now. We've done 32 minutes now. So very soon we will be wrapping up. Pablo is asking, is the NZD USD sell trade still valid? At the moment, I may have to go to that pair, but we may have to finish this. I will update that in the group, okay, in the VIP group. I'll give the update there in the VIP group, okay? Okay. So on the NZD trade, I'll give that update in the VIP group, all right? But this is the current trade that is available. That is the current trade that is available, okay? All right, so if there's no more question, I think we should end here. And please, when the trade gives the take profit, please try and come back and then leave a message. Please, when the trade gives us the profit that we are looking for, try and come back and leave us a message. And I'll be glad to read your message, right? Okay, so that is that. All right, that is that. So I'll see all of you again. Hopefully, if I am able to see another trade opportunity, I'll try and then leave a message again. If I see one more trade opportunity, I'll surely come back and give a message. But at the moment, I think it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So we have just ended this one. And let's hope and see how it goes. Okay? We hope and see how it goes. All right? So that is that. Thank you for coming. This one is going to be very brief. So we are ending here. And so this is it for today. Please, At the end of the trade, please leave a message on the video for me and I'll be very glad. All right. Thank you very much. If you have any question or anything you want us to discuss, you can reach me on Telegram. And then also, okay, let me not use Telegram. Let me use my real phone number because of scammers. I want to give you my real phone number. You can reach me on my phone number if you have anything you want us to discuss. Let me give you the phone number. The phone number is here. Let me type it here and then go. The phone number is plus 233 246 136609. The phone number is here. Okay, so this is the phone number. You can see it in red. I've pasted it above there. Plus 233 246 136609. That is my phone number. That's my phone number up there in red. Plus 233 246 136609. You can reach me on WhatsApp, okay? Via WhatsApp, and I'll be ready to respond, okay? So, all right. So we are done. We are done. I think I have given you, okay, one more. Leslie says, or do we wait for yesterday's trade to TP or take profits early? Leslie, I remember telling you that you should always go for TP1. You should always go for TP1, which is take profit 1. Okay? So if you went for take profit 1, you should be done by now. That trade has given take profit 1 already. So those of you who are still waiting for take profit 2, I don't know what to tell you. But take profit 1, I said it was the easier way to go. So you should always go for take profit 1. All right? So I don't know what to tell you right now. Whether I should still tell you to wait or whatsoever, I cannot tell you. But you decide. Because I always give the 2. And then I give you the option to decide whether you want to take TP1 or TP2. That is what I always do. So the option is still yours to decide whether you want to go for take profit 1 or you want to go for take profit 2. All right. Pablo says, thank you so much. We appreciate the life. Oh, okay, thank you. I also appreciate your time. And I thank you for coming. All right. So please, I am ending here. If you have any concerns, I have given my number out. You can always reach out to me. Wendy, I appreciate the screenshots you sent, making it possible for me to read the comments or messages that came from those watching me. Wendy, thank you very much. I truly appreciate. And to all of you who came, thank you. My number is there. If there's anything, we can chat on WhatsApp. We can discuss further. Until then, please take care. All the best. I'll see you again when I see another opportunity in the near future. Thank you very much.